Welcome into my channel, and I'm going to be giving you a list today of 25 awesome gift-giving crochet creations that you can purchase patterns for on Etsy for under $10. So this is my way of supporting other creators because I was on Etsy searching, and there are so many awesome patterns. You guys are really terrific at making patterns that are so cute. I would love to get anything on this list. Okay, number one is this hair bow. I have made this hair bow. Let me show you the one that I made. Isn't this so beautiful? I used the Big Twist Christmas yarn. This is Yuletide. I love this bow. I added a hair elastic to the back, and you can hook the hair elastic right to your claw or your clip or your ponytail. I love this. I have worn this. This is mine. And I just love this pattern and there's hair bow. So this is made by Artsy Maki. And when I'm giving you the prices for these patterns, just remember that they may fluctuate. So you don't need to leave me any rude comments in the comments about you said this was this price and the prices change. The price may change, okay guys? I'm just giving you the price that I saw when I looked up the pattern. And this bow pattern is $5.39. I do know that you can get a free version of this on YouTube, a tutorial. So a lot of these you can go to YouTube and get free tutorials. But if you want to support the creators and purchase these patterns, they're all under $10. Okay, this next pattern, oh my gosh, I want one of these. I do, I want one. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy this pattern or make these, but I would love to get one of these as a gift. These are the most adorable cat cactus patterns. Have you ever seen anything as cute as these? I have not seen anything as cute as these in my life. Okay, these are from Fuzzy Bug Crochet, and they're $4.95 for the pattern. I'm not sure if these are available free on YouTube. I just was looking on Etsy, and this is a bundle. So you will be able to make all of these different designs for $4.95. I think that's a great deal. Under $5 for all of these patterns is a great bundle. So that is so cute. Again, it's Fuzzy Bug Crochet. All right, this next item, look at these Voodoo dolls. These are adorable. I have no use for a Voodoo doll, but if I did, I would buy this pattern because they're adorable. This is by, I don't want to say the name wrong, so I'm going to spell it MikadoLand, and it's $185 is the price that I saw for this pattern when I was searching for it. So these are adorable. I think these would sell really good at markets on a keychain. These are adorable little charms. You could even make these as little hangers in the car for the rear view mirror. They are so cute. Okay, the next one, Easter is coming. This is a crochet basket. This might be great for Easter as well as any other holiday. And this is by SimplyMadeByErin. This is a crochet basket, and these are gorgeous. You can make these in any color, any size, any shape, I'm assuming. You could use blanket yarn and make them super chunky. You could use these as a stash buster, scrap busters. And it was $5, and it was from SimplyMadeByErin. So these are beautiful for home decor. Great gifts, fill them with candy, give them as gifts for any occasion. Anybody would love to get one of these crochet baskets. Okay, another Easter type of gift is these fun little Peep bunnies. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. I have seen these all over the place on my feeds, and this one is from J&W Crochet, and this was listed for just $2.17 when I was looking at it. So these peeps are adorable. These would be great gifts, especially for Easter. All right, the next gift we have is from, oh my gosh, look at these. Look at these little chubby hamsters. These are called Chubby Hammie, and it's by ByGeekie. And it was $5.92 when I was looking at the price for this pattern. Aren't these adorable? These are so cute. I would love to get one of these. The next gift on our list. Okay, look at these dogs. Look at these dogs. This again is a bundle. And when I was looking at this pattern, some of the dogs are made like the springy dogs and other are just solid dogs. So there's a variation here. So this is a pattern bundle that you can make in different variations. and it's called Bouncy Dog Buddies. And this pattern is by ElegantPurely, and it was only $3.72 when I looked at it. So again, if you're a dog lover, these would be great gifts for any dog lover. Okay, the next one on our list is flower bookmarks. These are really popular. These are really great for book lovers, book talk fans, anybody who loves to read. These look like beautiful bookmarks with the flowers. They look somewhat easy to make. And these are by Snail House Craft. And the price was $162 when I was looking for it. These are gorgeous, and I think anybody would love these flower bookmarks as a gift. They are just gorgeous. All right, our next one on the list, oh my gosh, okay. Now, I have to say, these are not gonna be all amigurumi. So don't leave if you don't like any of the amigurumis. Just wait, there's other things on this list. But these are a no-sew owl pattern. And again, it's a bundle. You get 4 in 1 in this pattern. And these are so cute. I want one of these. Please, somebody make me one of these owls. The pattern is only $2.75 when I was looking for it, and it's by Easy Crochet Plushies. They are adorable. They are just adorable, and I love them, and I want them. Okay, this next one, this creator, I have seen her on TikTok for years, and she's commented on my TikToks, and I've commented on her TikToks. She makes the absolute most beautiful items, but these are something new that I've seen lately that are really cute, and they're crochet ear muffs, and I'm assuming they can just go on your ear, or I'm thinking, I don't know if they would fit on earphones or what, but these are really cute. So this is a really cute idea for a pattern. It was only $4.87, and it's by Cozy Creative Crochets, and she makes so many beautiful things. So Cozy Creative Crochets, if you're watching this video, put a comment, because I love your stuff. I've always commented on your stuff when I see it on TikTok and Instagram. You are so talented, and what a cute little pattern this is. Okay, so the next one is a slip stitch scarf pattern. This is amazing. I don't think this is easy. I wouldn't call this easy, but this is gorgeous. Look at the design on this scarf. I don't think I've ever seen anything more beautiful. I don't know if it's the colors that she used in this, the yarn for this pattern or what, but this is amazing. I'm in awe of this pattern. It's by Majestic Art Crochet. It was $6. It's a little bit intimidating for me. I don't know if I could do it, but it looks gorgeous. Maybe it's one of those designs that are so simple that look hard, but look at this gorgeous scarf. I would love to get this in this colorway, especially. This is just gorgeous. I love it. This next item, look at these. Okay, this is a sort of a home thing. All right, this is cat chair socks. I've always wanted to make cat chair socks, always. This has been on my to-do list for as long as I can remember, and I still have never made any chair socks. This is Olya, and this pattern was $5.25. I want to make chair socks, I do. I think you can find free tutorials on YouTube for this, but this is a way to support other crocheters, so that's why I'm doing these paid patterns. But these are adorable, and I do want to make some, or I want to get some. Next item is Raccoon bag holder. Is this adorable? This is made by me, Stephanie. That's the company, made by me, Stephanie. And it was only $3 for this super cute pattern. I love it. That is so cute. All right, this next item is like a toy. So for those of you who have young children or kids, or you're just a child at heart, look at this. It's the Hungry Caterpillar. And this comes with the whole pattern bundle, comes with everything you need to make all of this. It's by Yarn Obsessions Debbie, and it was $5.33 for this pattern. This is adorable. I love it. This next one is super cute. One of my friends from TikTok made a sushi scarf. So this is a sushi scarf pattern. This is so cute. Let me know if you've made one of these, because I've seen a lot of people make these. I've never tried. But this pattern was only $1.99. What a good deal. And this is Lucky Threads Homemade who created this pattern. That is adorable. This next one is, okay, this one is a versatile pattern because you can use this. This pattern showed a way to make this cat bed or a cat cozy thing, or you can make a storage basket out of this pattern. So the cat one has the top, but the basket part you can make separately or not add the top, I guess. So there was a variation in this pattern. So this is an easy cat bed or storage basket. And the creator of this pattern is Thistle and Twig Crafts, and it was only $1.92. So I think that's a great deal for a versatile pattern like this that you can make in 2 ways. Oh my God, this is adorable. This is so cute. Toastie bread bag. I've seen these all over the place, and this is adorable. This one was $7.80 for the pattern. It's from LiLCrochetBean, and this is adorable. Who would not want this as a cute little bag? Now in the pattern for the pictures, it showed these made in all kinds of different colorways, and then some had like syrup on them. Some had you can make these in a ton of different ways. So maybe the pattern shows you all of the different variations you can make, but it's not just the toast. You can make it as French toast, a Pop-Tart. You can make these in all kinds of things. I think she showed in her pattern when I was looking on the photos for that. So that is a super cute, versatile pattern that you can make so many different variations out of. All right, this next pattern is so cute. This is the Black Cat bag. This is adorable. So those of you who are looking for patterns to make bags, this is adorable. This is by my Marynacrochetdesign, and it was $5.70 when I looked at the pattern. This is adorable. Any cat lover would love to get this bag. You can make it in all kinds of different colors if you chose to. And I think it is so adorable. I would like to get that, but I don't know if I would wear it. So probably I wouldn't want to get it, but maybe I would want to make it as a gift. All right, this next one is adorable. I know that my daughters would love to get this. This is Bundles of Lavender, and it was only $3. And it was by Yumotoco or Yumotoco, Yumotoco. So I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I probably am not, but it is so pretty to put on a bag, or you could hang it from your rear view mirror or just in your room somewhere. This is stunning, and I want to make it, and I want to have it, and I want to give it to one of my girls because I know they would love it. All right, this next one, again, my girls would love this. This is so pretty. This is a daisy garland. This does look very, very easy to make, guys. And it's from OurFriendlyWorld, and it was only $4 for this pattern. And again, it's so beautiful. I love it. It just looks so feminine and so pretty and just so sweet. And I think it would look beautiful in my crochet room here. So I am tempted to make one of these. Again, it's from OurFriendlyWorld, and it was only $4 for this pattern, and it's just gorgeous. So make that one. All right, this next one is adorable. This is another type keychain type thing. This is Cherry Love keychains, and this is from Micro Wonder, and it was only $2.73 for this pattern. And it is so cute. Look at those little cherries. There is nobody that would not want this as a little gift. This is so cute. So if you are looking for gift ideas, guys, make this little cherry keychain. It's so cute. All right, this next one. Okay, oh my gosh, I have seen this before. This pattern is a macaroon blossom afghan, and it's by Apple Blossoms Design. It was $8.50. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful in your life? This is so gorgeous. I've seen this so many times. This is amazing. This is beautiful to the 10th degree. I can't even get over how beautiful this afghan is. This is gorgeous and stunning, and I love it, and I would love to have it. I really would. So has anybody tried this pattern? Let me know if you've tried these patterns. I've tried a couple of them. Let me know if you've tried any of these patterns, guys. All right, this next one is roses for my Rosie drawstring bag. And guess what? I know the creator of this, and I have bought this pattern and have made this pattern. It is so beautiful. These flowers are so gorgeous. I love them. Look at the roses on this bag. And this was inspired by her little doggy. and it's a drawstring. It was so easy to make. I chose to make it in black. Actually, it's not black. It's a very dark gray, and it has, I chose to put the flowers only on one side. It is stunning. It is gorgeous, and I love it. And it's mine, and I have it. And it's such an easy, quick, simple pattern. All right, and speaking of patterns, I do have some patterns in my Etsy shop. It's Melody Yarn Tinka, and I have this poncho pattern. You can wear it 2 different ways. I have it with the showing this way, but you can turn it so the V is in the front also. So I have this pattern available, and then I have a pattern for this scarf also. And when I came out here to do this video, it was absolutely freezing, so I grabbed my scarf to put around me. But I do have a pattern for this scarf. It's a V-stitch scarf in my Etsy shop, and all of my patterns are under $10. And this beautiful pattern for this poncho also is there. But guys, this is an adorable bag. So again, cute bag. I made it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's beautiful. And let me get the name right. It's Calico Hippie Designs. And the pattern is only $4, guys. So please go buy this, because I know her. Donna is so sweet and so nice and so supportive of me. So please, everybody, go buy her pattern. If you have bought her pattern, let me know in the comments. Let me know what color you chose to make. I love mine. This really dark gray yarn with these beautiful rose flowers. This is just stunning. I love this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're getting down on our list. I forgot to number these as I'm thinking. Okay, so I will have all of these patterns written below. Okay, this next one is, oh my gosh, look at this. When I saw this, I wanted it so bad. I love this, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but it's so cute. What a great idea. Whoever thought of this is a genius. All right, it's a record coaster set. Is this not adorable? This is so cute. I'm a big Aerosmith fan, and I love anything to do with albums and stuff because it's so cute, but look at this, it's adorable. All right, this is a record set coasters, and it's by Mod Girl, 1979, and the pattern was only $3.21 when I was looking at it. So have you ever seen anything so cute? And lots of these patterns, I will say, was on the bestsellers list. It wasn't planned. I guess I have good taste because everything that I was seeing was on the bestsellers list. All right, so this next one is on my wish list of things to make. Do we all have those lists of things that we want to make as a crochet artist? So this is that eye sweater pattern. It's by Pixel Studio, and the pattern is only $7.50 when I was looking at it, and I want to make one of these. I don't think I'll ever have time to, but in my mind, if I could do anything that I wanted, I would make one of these gorgeous eye sweaters. It is just amazing and gorgeous, and it doesn't look too hot because I'm in menopause and I overheat. So this looks perfect because it's nice and fluid, and this looks gorgeous. I really want to put this on my buy it and do it list. So if I have time, I want to try one of these sweaters. I'm always so busy making orders and packing orders. I don't have a lot of time to make other items like for myself, but I would love to have this sweater. I really would. Okay, so I think I went down and I think I got everything on this list. I'm so sorry for not saying the number, but when I make this video, I will be numbering them. And there should be 25 if I counted right. And all the links will be in the description. And thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate all of the love that I have received on my videos. I've been new to YouTube, so this is all scary and new. And it's not easy to get in front of the camera and talk and make videos. So please be kind in the comments. And thank you so much. And please, if you buy any of these patterns or make any of these patterns, let me know in the comments, because these are all things that I would love to either make, give, or get. So I hope you love this list. And thank you so much, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.